Hola mi gente, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Vanya. For today, I will be doing an eyebrow tutorial. For my brows, I like the more fluffy brow, so if you're into that, please stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get to it. Hola mi gente, welcome back to my channel. So for today we are doing brows, you guys, finally. Okay, so let me start off with saying that if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. But for starting off with my brows, sorry, I'm like totally out of it. I like to brush up my hair. Always brush up when starting off with your brows. And then the next thing I like to do is I like to use the Got2b Ultra Glued Invisible Styling Gel. Because this is a gel, you want to use as little as possible because it is really strong. So the more you use it, the more stiff your brows are going to be. So just be very cautious with how much you are using. And this does kind of make your brows a little shiny, but it'll go away once it dries down. And then I realized here that I forgot a product, so I'm gonna go and grab that for you guys, and I'll be right back. And I'm back. All right, so I'm just brushing in that glue a little bit more. Once I feel like the glue is tacky, I go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, I think it's like the pomade gel. It's the darkest color, and for that I just like to brush it in my brows. Even though I know I have like brow hair, my brows are still pretty sparse. So for the Anastasia or the gel, I like to just use it to fill in any like sparseness that I have in my brows, or just kind of make my brows a little bit darker and thicker. But I'm hoping that everybody is doing great right now during this quarantine. All right, and the next thing I like to use is the NYX, I think this is the micro pencil in the darkest shade. I think it's like black. And for the pencil, what I like to do is just like to use it for the bottom of my brow. So I start from the front to the arch of the brow to the end of my brows. And I know right now that's not looking super dark, but we'll go back and darken that with another product later. You'll guys see. Come on, girl, what you doing? Taking too long. I'm saying something, but I have no idea what I'm saying. Okay, so we're gonna use the Milani Stay Put Brow color in the shade, I think, dark brown. And I'm gonna use the spoolie / brush that I came with it. And like I said before, we use this to darken up that line that we did with the NYX pencil. And I also darken up any sparseness in my brows with that as well too. And I just like to go in with this pomade because it is darker than the pencil. And then I think here we are cleaning up the brows. You can use any concealer that you like or you're using currently. I just like to use a NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. And for this, I'm using the Morphe, I think it's the 122 brush. I'm not 100% sure, but that will be listed down below in the description bar for you guys. But I hope everybody's doing Sorry guys. I hope everybody's doing good during quarantine. I hope whoever's in school is not super stressed out. I hope whoever's working, you guys are not, you know, having bad customers either. But thank you guys for doing that. Appreciate y'all. And then next we are doing, what are we doing, girl? We are going to diffuse the front of the brow. I just like the more little natural look. So like the front of the brow will be diffused, and then the tail of my brow will be a little bit more darker. That's just my style. But honestly, my brows have come a long way since high school. You guys, if I can only show you guys where my brows started off, you guys would probably laugh and be shocked. But I think everybody starts off kind of weird with their brows. All right, and then next comes the NYX. We go back with that NYX pencil. And with that, I like to draw little faux brow hairs, just because the end of my brows, they have a tendency to stick down. So I just like to do little faux hairs to just mimic the hairs going up. But yeah. All right guys, so that's pretty much how I do my brows. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm pretty much gonna finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. All right, you guys, this is the final look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios, mi gente.